still got to pull the clutch master cylinder and the brake master cylinder out of the bay, along with a few other things before I get started painted. So I'll insert some clips here of that, and then we'll get to work on the paint. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Catch house. I just want to apologize ahead of time for not filming a whole lot throughout this process. I've just been wanting to get it done, man, and start putting everything back together. So just bear with me. I promise I'll keep you updated at least along the way. I appreciate y'all watching. We're just trucking right along. We've about got everything out now. Got our harness backed up down there. I'm just doing my brake lines right now and pulling my clutch reservoir off because it's going to get painted as well. And pull my bumper off, my intercooler, and my oil cooler. And then it'll just be clean prep and paint at that point. It is time to let cleaning commence. She's naked as a jaybird, boys and girls. Getting a simple green down. Watching this grime just melt away. It's wild. I guarantee you this bay has never been cleaned like this, at least. I've cleaned it a few times, power washed it and whatnot, but I've never went to this extent. Even when I had the motor and transmission out before like I should have. But that's okay. I'm getting her done now. And it's going to look great. I'll update you guys here shortly. I went ahead and decided to pull my steering rack out too, just because the tie rods were already undone. And it's only 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then your 2 going up to your steering shaft. Or you can get in the car underneath the dash and pull your pin out and drop it that way. Just with my back, it's a lot easier for me to just do it this way. That's the way I've done it. So I'll take that up to the car wash tomorrow, get it all sprayed off. I'm wrapping up from here all the way down there is done. So I just got from here around and she'll be clean. I'm gonna be ready to start prepping. Well, we got our first coat on the subframe. It's looking good. We'll give her about 15 or 20 minutes to tack up and then hit it with a second coat. Frame is clear coated and drying. Literally looks like a brand new unit. Hell to the yeah. Well, we're going to let that dry real good. Probably a couple days, 3 or 4. And then we'll tape it all off so that we can start doing the engine bay, spraying the engine bay.
2 days later.
Well, the engine bay is prepped. Got everything taped off that needs to be taped off. Let the little heater sit in here all night just to make sure that cures up real good. It was already dry, but better safe than sorry, right? Everything's slowly coming together. Tomorrow we'll get started on painting the bay. And then we'll give it 2 or 3 days to dry and start putting everything back together. That's your all's update for the day. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Little update on Bryce's car. He's got his new rear hubs on. He took them to school with him to his automotive class. Got them pressed on both sides. We gave him some wheel cylinders on there, some fresh brake shoes. And this thing will be a roller. Well, it has a motor and shit in it, but it will be safe to drive. So then we'll go ahead and button everything a little up underneath the hood. And we'll be ready to fire up for the first time before we know it. What's up, everybody? We're headed to the old Wally World. We're going to get our herculiner for the engine bay, and I'm also going to be picking up my accent color, which you guys still don't know what it is. You'll get to see the engine bay all painted up. The only thing you won't see is valve cover, cold side of the turbo, distributor cover, wastegate, etc. Stuff with the accent color. So we'll head to Walmart, get this stuff picked up, catch up with you guys back at the house. Alright, let's do this. Well, we got our boys and girls. We're headed back to the house now. He's got the accent color, which honestly I'm not even sure if we'll get into that today. I want to concentrate on getting the engine bay painted, so it's got plenty of time to dry. But if we do get done with the bay, then we'll go ahead and start on the cold side of the turbo, distributor, wastegate, all that good stuff. We'll see you back at the house. Alright, about to pull back in the driveway. I got like 3 or 4 things left I need to clear coat real quick. Once I get them clear coated, we're going to get started on that engine bay. It's got a couple little spots I want to scuff up, sand a little bit. We'll start spraying. 1 coat on the engine bay. 1 more to go. Videos don't do it justice. I'll set you guys up on a time lapse so you can finish watching me finish her up. Trip number 2 to Walmart. Gotta get 1 more Cant herculiner. Dumbass, should have known 1 wasn't gonna be enough. But you live and learn, right? second coat of herculiner is on the engine bay. Let her sit here and dry, and I think I got everything pretty even, so let it dry completely and we'll see how it looks. If it looks good, we'll leave her be and move on. If it don't look good, we'll make her look a little better, then we'll move on. Adeline's on her way here and she loves to help me paint stuff, so me and her's little project's going to be the distributor cap, the cold side of the turbo, all the accessories. We're going to add that accent color too that you guys ain't going to see until the reveal. Me and Adeline's doing the accent colors, but I also have a couple things I need to clear coat, so I'm going to let her clear coat them. Now watch how I do this. You got to do it the same exact way, okay? You're just going to do nice.
Smooth layer?
No. You're going to do super, super light.
That's what I meant by sorry. It looks
So we're gonna
still
go.
wet like this.
You're going to go and kiss. Just a nice light coat. I'm going to go get the other piece and you can do the first coat on it. Remember, you're going to do nice, easy sprays and do it real light. Do it over the whole thing. Yeah. No, here, you're going to have to let me do it. See how you just got that big puddle? You got to... It's hard to pull the trigger, so...
Yeah, the thing is really hard. I tried to do it.
I know. You still did okay.
I did really good the first 2 sprays, and then I got that big old puddle in the curve.
Once you get stronger, then you'll be able to pull the trigger. And you'll be able to control it. Because that's how you control it. Is by pulling the trigger. Now I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek of this color. And when I say sneak peek, just a small sneak peek. Well, I'm going to wrap it up for this evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'll go ahead and run you through real quick what we got done. Intercooler piping, done. Catch can, done. Can't show you those. Mid plate, done. Steering rack, done. Half shaft, end mount, done. And we've got our coolant overflow herculined. This was herculined, and then the rest is sprayed gloss black. It's looking good. Catch can mount, another motor mount. So we're just moving right along. Tomorrow's Monday. I'll probably wait till Friday to start reassembling things underneath the hood. That way this gets plenty of time to dry out and cure, harden. So I will probably catch up with you guys on Wednesday, I would say. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you on the next one.